everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a what's for dinner video, but we are going to try to add in a few things as far as keto prep. I'm adding in a small grocery haul here at the beginning of this what's for dinner video. So today is Saturday, March the 9th, and we're going to be doing dinners or meals from today through Friday of next week. It's kind of a challenge to do the dinners that go along with my grocery haul. I may do that. I may try to add it in, but right now I'm going to do it this way. Maybe I should think strongly about that. Maybe if I start my dinners on Wednesday, because my grocery haul comes out on Friday, and then I could do dinners. Let me know if you guys want to see an all-in-one type of video where I do the meal plan, the grocery haul, and all the meals in one video. Because that could be a possibility. I'll just have to figure out my days. Anywho, the kids and I have to do some meal prepping. And one of the things that we do know, we knew this ahead, but we have to always be mindful, is of snacks. I'm a snacker. I need to have something. And I know people say when you have enough fat in your diet, you shouldn't need to snack. But there are just things that I like to have on hand, or even when I'm packing lunches, I like to have things on hand. So I picked up a few things and we're going to be prepping some stuff. So here's what we got. Okay, I got 2 things of the 12 slices of cheddar cheese and extra sharp cheddar cheese from Walmart. And we're going to slice these into 4s. So each of these slices will be into 4s because we're going to make like our own little Lunchable things. So cheddar cheese, I picked up some of this. This is Prima Della sandwich pepperoni. I got a 1/4 pound of that. Jackson likes this, but we're also going to put this in lunch boxes as the meat. And then I got a 1/4 pound of this turkey pastrami. So those are for lunchbox meal prep, kind of like those little protein P3 things. And I'm going to put some nuts in there with that. I got some fresh mushrooms for tomorrow. I do have to clean these off, but tomorrow is worship and brunch at church. And so I'm going to do the stuffed mushrooms, but instead of stuffing the mushrooms with the sausage mixture, I'm going to chop them up and kind of do like a deconstructed stuffed mushroom, if that makes any sense. And so we're going to do that. And then I got some sausage to go with that. While I was at Walmart, I actually happened to see some turkey wings. And I had been thinking about going to Piggly Wiggly to look for turkey wings because I don't normally see them in any store that I shop at. And so they had 1, 2, I think there's 3 turkey wings in here. And I think there's 3 turkey wings in that one for $3.64 and $3.29. They had a couple more for $3 and I really wanted to get them, but I just got 2. So I'm thinking about cutting these wings in half, and then that will give us 6, or at least if I cook them all together at one time, that will give us 2 meals, because one of those looks big enough for just one serving. So if I did all 6 of them at one time in a pretty large pan, that would give us 2 meals, like a dinner and a lunch for the next day, because we eat leftovers for lunches. I picked up some heavy whipping cream. The almonds that I got here, Southern Keto has a recipe for praline pecans, but I don't have pecans and I couldn't find any, so I'm just going to do the almonds. I did it before. They turned out just lovely. We got some of these mega sour water packets, and then I got some magnesium here. Alana cannot swallow pills, and so I got her some magnesium in the liquid form. She's just going to have about a quarter. She have 2.5 ounces every day. That's all she can't really swallow. She can't swallow pills at all. So this works. I take a pill form magnesium, so I've just got that for her. Easiest to do it that way. And then we got some of this clear American water. We like to do a spritzer drink, and so we put about 2.5 ounces of this into a thing of seltzer water and one of the little sour packets, and that is a little drink for us. So I got 2 of those, and between the 3 of us, this should last us a couple of days to a week. Picked up some of these Ready Wipes. At my schools that I go to, I have to share an office with several people. At my office, I have my own space. But at the schools that I go to, I have to share office space. So I really need to sanitize. I think I picked up a little bug or something from there because I've not been feeling well for the last couple of days. So I just want to make sure that I sanitize the desk and the phone and different things, because different people, you know, using the space, because I'm what's called support staff now, and then of course our social workers are support staff. The some of our psychologists are support staff. So we all just kind of share common areas when we go into different schools. So this is, I'm going to throw that in my bag and I'll have it with me. And then the last two things I got was I got spicy pork rinds. Now Walmart is really on some type of situation because I like those southern crackling things. I can't even remember the name of them. I think they're southern cracklings. They're in a green bag. If any of my subscribers wants to send me some of those, I'm not going to stop you because they are my very absolute favorite. And I cannot find them at my Walmart. Nowhere. Not my Walmart, not the Walmart next over to us, or the Walmart way on down away from us, because I've been to all three of the Walmarts and there is nothing. So I'm struggling. But anywho, I got these spicy pork rinds, and I'm going to use those with the sausage dip. And then I got just the regular original pork rinds, because we're going to do Nashville hot chicken tomorrow for brunch as well. And I'm going to crush these up and make a breading and then fry the chicken tenders on the stove and do the sauce after that. So there it is. This is just a small haul specifically so we can do some prepping and cooking ahead, and so the kids and I can stay on track. We're doing good, but we just want to make sure we have the things that we need. We don't need any groceries because we have groceries with no problem for dinners and different things like that. But sometimes this kind of thing gets away from me, and I didn't think about it when I did the original grocery shop. And then I wanted to make sure that my mushrooms were good and that I had enough to share, because it's a everybody brings something type of situation. And of course, because the kids and I are keto, we have to, you know, we have to bring our own, we have to bring anything we want to eat, because everybody else would be making, you know, using flours or whatever, more higher carb value items for their stuff. So I have to bring all of our things that we're going to eat. So anywho, we're going to get prepping here with some of these things, and we'll take you along with us as we prep for this week of What's for Dinner. All right, you guys, so here is the Nashville hot chicken. We just used a pork rind coating. We put a little bit of almond flour in it. We fried it in bacon grease, and then when we got done with frying it in bacon grease, we added in the brown sugar, cayenne pepper, and butter to the grease, and that's what it turned out to look like. We're just keeping it in our crock pot to keep it warm, and I will show you what the sausage dip looks like. So here is the sausage dip. It has the mushrooms, it has the onions and sausage in there with 2 packages of cream cheese, and we're again going to use those pork rinds as dippers. I'm going to use a paper towel just to skim some of that grease off of there before we leave, but I think it just helps keep everything nice and moist. So that is what we're taking for the worship and brunch today, and we'll see you guys for dinner with what we're having for dinner. So just wanted to share with you really quickly, I stopped at Aldi to pick up some fresh fruit for us because we are out of fruit. Of course, this is not my main grocery haul, but the strawberries and blueberries were $1.49, and I had an extra $10. So I picked up 3 strawberries, 3 blueberries. The blueberries will last probably longer than the strawberries will. Alana loves strawberries, but she does not like blueberries, but Jackson will eat those, and Mom. And then we just picked up some spinach. So I spent $10.33 over at Aldi trying to pick up just some fresh fruit because we're totally out. So just wanted to share that in this video. And of course, I'll have my regular grocery haul for you guys on grocery haul day.